Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. So, what I wanted to tell you is if a journalist reaches out to you, it is vital that you answer your phone right away or you respond right back, whether it's a telephone call or an email. Usually, if they're calling you, they're on a hot deadline. And the fact that they're using you is amazing and awesome, but you've got to get back to them. And when you're that person who gets back to them right away or always answers your phone, you will become one of their go to experts. So make sure that you're always ready when the media is calling. And if you enjoyed this tip and you would like more, please join us in the free PR challenge. It's at www.yourprchallenge.com for 10 minutes a day. It's all I ask of you. We go through 10 days of how you can get more visible, how you can get publicity. Super easy, and the people who are doing it are having amazing success. So I hope you'll join us, and I'll see you next week.